Imagine that you can turn saliva into the most powerful disinfectant that breaks the tartar and destroys all the termite bacteria. Certain herbs, plants, and minerals 4 times stronger than morphine could erase migraines and tooth abscess pain. The only thing was to find the right herbs, plants and minerals that would perfectly mix with the saliva and turn it into a strong weapon against the termite bacteria. And now, for the first time ever, we can share the breakthrough secret of how this unique, teeth-fortifying solution works. Proven to be 100% effective only in this formula, specifically calculated and adjusted to be absorbed by your body, treating you from the inside, and supercharging your saliva, making this ultimate dental weapon. The first step is to break the existing plaque and tartar that have been loosening your gums and creating a comfortable environment for the termite bacteria. The second step is to locate the bacteria colonies and destroy them by drowning them in purifying substances that will also fight the bleeding and inflammation. The third step, which is a crucial one, is to tighten your loose gums, heal the wounds and cement the teeth roots. The fourth step is to strengthen your teeth crowns by filling them with minerals and vitamins. This step is a lot like repairing cracked walls. The fifth step is to purify and detoxify the gut and balance the mouth bacteria, with a powerful blend of chicory root, celery seed, burdock root, and yellow dock. The sixth and final step towards a complete oral rejuvenation is to form an impenetrable shield for your teeth and gums, making them virtually indestructible against future bacteria or food debris. That is the 100% natural solution that you can use to rebuild your gums and teeth starts today. By now, you must be very curious and anxious to find out what this ultimate teeth rejuvenation solution contains. To learn more about this amazing solution, hit the link below in the description now.